Alright kids, welcome to ESPN, heading into week 4 here. The Ski-Yo main appearance, Benjamin here, has challenged me to go one-on-one in every lane. The loser must kiss the crotch of the leprechaun. Here we go, lane 1. Alright, round 1.
That's not gonna help you win shit.
Look at him roll. Oh! Hot, juicy burgers! Hot, juicy burgers! Look at him roll. Wow. Wowzers. Fuck! Ouch. 25. Oh, crikeys. Oh! Wow. He's running away. He's running away.
Crotch. Carol, he's panning behind you. Is this shadow disturbing you? No, it's not. It's not. Good! Good riddance! Switch it up to the hundo. It's never gonna happen. Oh, shit! 280, right? 280, right? I'm 280 right now. I got 2 balls left.
I need a hundo and a 10. Oh! Timeout! TV timeout! Here you go, brother. Alright, here we go.
To the wire.
Oh! So Benjamin, we're heading into round 3 here of the late night bet here. It's currently tied 1-1.
I blacked out on those last 2 hundos.
Question. Have you ever kissed a leprechaun's crotch before?
I don't want to talk about it. It was one time in Nam, and that's all I got to talk about.
There you go, folks. Here we go. Round 3.
No talking?
Hot, juicy burger.
We'll see. I don't think he washed today. Leprechauns don't wash.
You like Dairy Queen, I see. Barrels on fire.
Bullshit. Are there false regulation size? Shit, man.
Oh! Hot, juicy burger! 37 ties, 38 wins. He's got a 20. Can he get the 37? Oh!
Fuck her up!
You gotta get it, Vito. Get it! Get it!